Hello everyone, welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, September the 18th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code that'll get you 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. So, interesting day for me today in that I took a couple of pre-market trades. I haven't done any pre-market trading for quite a while, probably 3 weeks to a month. And today I took a couple of them. So I took Sava, and Sava, let's take a look at it on the daily chart. You can see it had a nice day yesterday, kind of a recovery day. It had been beaten up and had a nice day yesterday, and today sort of a continuation. So I ended up taking this trade right here on that break. It was 850 on the break. Now this was not easy. And you can see what happened right after that. But luckily this is the candle I got in at. It got up to 940, and on its way down I got out. I think it was around 922. So from 850 to 922, that was a super quick trade. It was really erratic in the pre-market. You can see all these topping tails, all the bottoming tails, completely kind of directionless, except for the bodies of the candles. But the topping tails and the bottoming tails certainly were unnerving. And then once the market opened, again, it has been choppy. Some in the room have taken it long, some have taken it short. Bit of a tough... Oh, wait a minute. I've got the wrong chart here. Sorry, I knew that. That's not the right chart. There we go. I thought there was something wrong with that. Here's the Sava. Okay. So yeah, when it took out that high of yesterday, in the pre-market, that was kind of my trigger to get involved with it. Sorry about that. The PRTS is a trade that I did take, but I'll have to show you that one. The other one I took was PIC. Now this was a bit of a flyer. And I took PIC. This is a SPAC, okay? So they had, a special project acquisition core. And they made an announcement. And if you don't know anything about SPACs, I would encourage you to look it up. It's SPAC. That's the acronym. Look them up. They've been so hot and in the news for the last, I would say, for almost a year now, but really heating up this year. And so they made an announcement that they were going with a company called XL Fleet to go public via this merger. And, in essence, this is what they call a blank check company. The company has no business, and they're looking to merge with a company. So it's kind of a quicker and easier way to go public. And this has been the going concern this year for a lot of companies doing that. Anyway, bottom line is I decided to take this one. I took it right here at 1245. And what did I get out at? I got out just before 12 actually. Or just before 13, I'm sorry. And yeah, it did move a little higher. I'm a little disappointed. I wanted to get back into this one. I thought maybe because some of these SPACs, they can put on, $3, $4, $5, $6 a day. But this one really didn't. It seemed to be in the right industry. It's one of the electric vehicle EV sector, but it just didn't want to move. So that was a very quick trade for me, along with the Sava in the pre-market. From my watch list, PRTS was a great trade. There was the alert right here on that candle at 1214, and it moved nicely higher, all the way up to 1262. I ended up taking some out at 1232, and right on this move here, I got out. Unfortunately, I stopped following it, and it moved even higher before it pulled back. But definitely a nice one from my watch list. One that I am, let's see, bring this one up, TGI. Yeah, just before I started this video, so this is one that I shorted right up here at 992. Right there, and I've wrote it down here. And just before I started the video, I said in the room that if I had any pop, I'd be out. So I got out right around here at 926. So from 992 down to 996, a really, really nice short for TGI. Some rumor about them maybe being, I think maybe spinning off a division and selling it, something like that. I think that's what caused this one to go up. So yeah, lots of, oh, I should mention this one. So the TGTX, I am in a short of this one. I was waiting to see if it, I'm right here in a short of 26.27, and I'm short this one and just wanting to see if I can get close down to 26. So looks like it's starting to go in the direction I want it to. So lots of activity in the room, both on the short side, both on the long side. A lot of people played B, had just a tremendous run, BE. And this is an EV play also, and it's still strong. I mean, it's had some bottoming tails here, which kind of signify that, you know, the sellers have been trying to knock it down, but the buyers still appear to be in control. So lots and lots of activity in the trading room this morning. Well, every day, but I would say, well, for me personally, because I did a couple of those pre-market trades and some earlier trades that I don't normally do, definitely a more active day for me. So I want to close this chart down. I want to get back into the room. So I will open the room. Let's see, I'll bring back the capture program. So I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock, and I hope to see you in the trading room then. Bye-bye.